Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Elle here. So today's video is an eye tutorial. It's probably going to be a really short one because this is just such a simple eye look, honestly. I did use the Kash Beauty Crystal Nights palette, which looks like this. So I am an affiliate for Kash Beauty, which just means that if you do shop through the link in my description box, then I do make a small commission from any sales on the Kash Beauty website. So if you are going to be shopping Kash Beauty, please do so through my links. It helps a gal out. But yeah, so I'm using this palette today. Kash Beauty products are absolutely incredible. This eyeshadow palette is incredible. I feel like it's just such a go-to palette because you've got like your matte neutral shades. You've also got some like fun pops of colour and then some more neutral shimmery shades. You've just got everything you could ever need in this one palette and it's brilliant and I absolutely love it. So this is the eye look that I created today. So if you want to see how I created this eye look, make sure you stick around. But yes, if you want to see how I created this eye look, then just keep on watching and I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you so much if you do make it to the end. Yeah, enjoy. I've already done this eye off of camera pretty much. It's a really simple look to do, let's be honest. I've already primed my eyes. My eye. I just used the Plouise base in the shade number 2, which is what I always use, and I've obviously also done my eyebrow already. I used the MAC False Lash Maximizer, again, always use it. So for the eyeshadow, I am going to be using the Kash Beauty Crystal Nights eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. It's absolutely stunning. Like, just these shades are incredible. Like, all of them are just super pigmented and they're absolutely stunning. So I am an affiliate for Kash Beauty, so I was very kindly gifted this palette. I will include my link down below in the not in the comments, in the description box. But if you do want to purchase anything from Kash Beauty, I would really appreciate it if you did so through my link, because I do make a small percentage, a small commission. I can't talk, it's not much, but like a small commission from anything you purchase when you use my link. So my link is always available on my Instagram in my bio, but I'll put it in the description box for this video as well. So if you do want to purchase this palette or anything else from Kash Beauty, use the link in the description box down below. So let's get started. So the first shade I'm going to use is Haze, which is this shade right here. It's an absolutely stunning shade. It's like the lightest brown in the palette, and I'm going to use a Morphe M573 brush just to apply that. As you can see, it's like a nice fluffy blending brush. Tap off any excess, and I'm just going to put this right into the crease and just get a nice blend. Like so. So I'm just sort of doing windshield wiper motions back and forth into the crease. Make sure you're using a nice light hand. As there's less product on the brush, I'm just sort of doing bigger circular motions to make sure all of the edges are blended. And making sure I get it right on this outer corner as well. Okay, so now that I've got that in the crease, as you can see, it's only a really light shade. We've just got a light dusting in the crease. I'm now going to go in with the shade Sapphire, which is this lovely blue shimmery shade down below. Before I do apply that though, I am going to pop on a little bit of a glitter glue. This is just the one from Too Faced. Using a flat shader brush, it's going to be the 234 brush from Zoeva. As you can see, I've already used the blue eyeshadow on it. So I'm going to use this for the glitter glue as well. So I'm just going to pick the glitter glue up on the brush and just press this all over the eyelid. And just having this glitter adhesive down will just make the eyeshadow really pop. And then now, using that exact same brush, I'm just going to pick up that eyeshadow and just pat that over. Sometimes what I like to do as well, just take eyeshadow on my finger and just press that over the lid, just so I've got a really nice pigmented glittery eyelid. And then now for the underneath, so I'm just going to wipe away any fall down to start off with, because otherwise it's going to make the under eye look a bit mucky. We don't want that. And then just taking some of the Plouise base that we've been using, or that I used, should I say, on my to prime my eye. I'm just going to pop that underneath the eye too, because we gotta prime the under eye. And then using that exact same brush that we used for the blue, picking some more of that up, I'm just going to run this on my lower lash line now. I don't often do like shimmer on the lower lash line, but sometimes I just think it looks really cute. Today's one of those days. For the waterline, I actually mixed two paints together. I'll show you. So I mixed together the paints from Plouise, they're the Acid Rain paints, and I used a shade Blank Canvas and a shade Nitro, or Nitro, I don't know how you pronounce that, but I just mixed these two shades together. Dropped that one. Yeah, I just mixed them together on the back of the palette, and then I'm using a Sigma E05. This number's one off, but I think it's an E05, just to put that right in my waterline. This is one thing I love about the paints, they're great for use in the waterline. They just don't budge. There we go, so I'm just going to go off of camera now. I'm going to pop on some false lashes, I'm going to do my skin, and then I'll come back and show you the finished look, so don't go anywhere. Okay guys, so I've just finished the rest of my makeup. I obviously put on some lashes, I did my skin, threw on a lip, and this is how it's looking. It's just such a simple eye look, but I absolutely love it. Obviously, like I said, I did use the Kash Beauty Crystal Night palette for this, which I absolutely love. I feel like it's such a nice sort of versatile palette, because you've got a lot of neutral shades in there, but you've also got some really stunning pops of colour as well. And just look at them, they're just, mwah, what is it, chef's kiss. But yeah, they are absolutely stunning. So if you do want to buy anything from Kash Beauty, make sure you use the link in my description box down below. Again, like I said before, it is an affiliate link, so I do make a little bit commission if you do purchase anything through that link, but that would be a huge help to me. If you're going to be buying something anyway, you might as well help a gal out and buy through my link, you know? But yeah, so if you want to see more tutorials like this, something more, it's like a pop of colour and it keeps it fun, like especially for spring, summer coming up, but it's also just something really simple and it's not too crazy or out there. So let me know if you want to see more looks like that, or if you want me to do some more neutral looks or some more colourful looks. Just let me know in the comment section down below. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure you click the little subscription button somewhere below, wherever it may be, and a little bell notification as well. Muscle, cannot wait to get back to the gym tomorrow. Yeah, the bell notification as well, to be notified every time I post, although at the minute that's every single Sunday at 6 p.m. so put it in your calendar, Sunday 6 p.m, early YouTube video. Get yourself a drink, alcoholic or non-alcoholic, I don't mind. Get yourself a snack. 6 o'clock Sunday night is when I post. I have no idea what I'm saying anymore, but anyways, thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.